Alright, hello everyone. My name is Adriano Wiyadi, and today I would like to show you how to cite references from Mendeley to the Word document. Okay, so let's just begin this without any further actions. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is to open Mendeley. If you don't have the Mendeley, then you should download it first. Okay, and as you can see here that I've already have my references here. Alright, just a heads up. Sometimes Mendeley might detect references incorrectly. Like for example, if we're following the APA 7 style, the title should be in lowercase, except if it's abbreviation or the first letter that comes from the title. And as you can see here, that the Mendeley detected this book title very wrong. Well, you just have to edit it out first. Now you can't really rely fully on technology, so sometimes you have the initiative to do things yourself. Alright, let the R there, okay. Okay, then it's gonna be automatically saved. Alright, and then the next thing that you want to do is you might want to be arranged, to keep your files arranged. To do it, you have to create collections or either groups. The differences here is the collections is the file that you use for yourself, but if you're doing um, like a collaboration with other researchers, with your coworkers, then you want to add groups so your coworkers, your other researchers can also see the references that you put in the file. But because I'm here by myself, we're going to use my own files here. That I have 10 files, I have 10 references. There are 5 journal articles, 3 books, 1 proceedings, and also 1 book chapter. Okay, now I have all of these references downloaded, and the next thing I want to do is just to work out with the citing. Okay, and now you should open the Word document, and then to add references, we want to go here, references. As you can see here, I have this options, and if you don't have these options yet, it's because you haven't downloaded the Mendeley for Word documents. So I suggest that you should download it first if you want to put the citations in the Word document. Okay, so there are many options here. Mendeley cite-o-matic, citations and bibliography, captions, index, table of authorities, and cite with Mendeley. What we're going to use is cite with Mendeley. So we just simply have to tap on it, and there will be this little square on the corner of the screen, and yep, we can choose like from which collections, or maybe you can go to the all references. But yeah, because I've already have prepared my references, we're just going to go here to the files that I just created. Okay, so there are going to be 3 things that I want to show you. The first one is how to do single citations, and then how to cite with the page, and how to merge citations. Okay, so the first thing is how to do single citation. For example, a researcher said, ha 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 ha, ha 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 ha. And then we just have to choose which researcher, which journal, or any articles that says that. For example, let's point nation. The nation did it, and so what we're going to do is to insert the citation here. So we first select on the references, and then we insert 1 citation, and then there we go. We have a single citation here. Well, if you want to put the name first and then the sentence later, then you can choose which one, which reference, and then click on this one, and then the display as option, you choose the first one here, author and the year. Okay, and then save changes, insert 1 citation, and then you can go on. Alright, Now we continue with the second thing, which is how to cite with the page. Okay, so let's say there's a word C C C C C C C C C, and then we want to like add click here first, and then click this one, and then the value here, the source details, this should be in page. Okay, it should be in page, and then we have to fill out the value. Which page is this sentence spoken? For example, 67. Yes, 67. There we go. All right, that's how to cite with the page. And then the last thing that I'm going to show you is how to merge citation. All right, so to merge citations, we just have to, for example, okay, maybe like ha 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 ha, and then we choose all of the references here. Okay, and don't you worry if you feel like you're missing something here. You missed a click of the square, then you can see here that there are already there's 9 citations here, so you won't be missed. For example, I have 10 citations here, so I just have to check how many citations I have clicked in case I missed one. But yep, since there are not many references here, it's pretty easy to scan it. Okay, now I've already choose all of the citations of the references, and then I'm just going to click this, insert 10 citations, and then there we go. We have all of the citations here of the references. And then maybe the last thing, okay, the last thing that I want to show you is how to create the bibliography. Okay, so to create the bibliography, you just have to simply create a new paragraph, and then you choose this 3 dots button, and then insert bibliography, and just click continue. And there we go, we have them all. Alright, that is all the tutorial for how to use Mendeley and cite them on the Word documents. I hope you're having a great time. You might have guessed already. Thank you for watching.